I'm over here at the National Association of Enrolled Agents 50th anniversary.
I'm looking forward to the amazing education that the National Association of Enrolled Agents offer.
It's great when we can come to these events because we can really get that face-to-face service for the practitioners who have just really struggled to reach the IRS and even struggled to reach us sometimes.
Happy 50th anniversary, NAEA! Happy 50th anniversary!
Happy 50th anniversary!
Happy 50th anniversary!
Happy 50th NAEA!